In this video, I want to talk about how you can get the most out of your course. And we're talking about this because your success is literally my success. I do online instructing because I want to share my knowledge with you, and I want to see you find success. So people that go in, complete my courses, and then go out and get better jobs and succeed in life, I get a lot from that. I hear from my students all the time how my courses help them land a new career, and which is awesome. It gives me a great feeling to hear about success stories. Your success really is my success. Okay, now to get the most out of your course, this is going to seem really obvious, but number one is complete the course. Seriously, go in and actually do and take the course. Go through and watch the videos. I see so many people that will enroll in the course and then they never take the first video, or they do 2 or 3 videos and never come back to it. You can't get anything out of the course if you don't actually go in and complete the course. It seems obvious. Another thing is the assignments. Don't just watch the assignments and then go through and watch the review. Actually do the assignments, because there is a huge benefit to actually doing the assignments. I designed these assignments so that you can take what you've been learning in the videos and stop for a moment and go and apply it. There's a really strong case to reinforce what you've been watching to actually sit down and do it. It's very important for you. You are going to comprehend the material much better if you sit down and go through the assignments. I know some people like to skip through them, but actually doing the assignments, you're going to get huge benefit from. Then we also have quizzes. There are a number of quizzes in there. Don't skip over the quizzes. Please go in and complete them. You'll get a lot of benefit out of doing the quizzes as well. They help test your knowledge. Again, this is another activity that helps reinforce it. If you're going to just sit and watch videos, you're not going to retain the information. If you go in and do the assignments, take a moment, stop and apply what you learn, go in and complete the quizzes, all these activities help reinforce what you're learning, and what you're watching is going to stick better and you're going to remember it. So when you go up for that job interview, you'll actually be able to retain and recall the information. And then one thing that's very unique to this, you optionally can go in and join my Slack community. This is a community of other people in the course. It's absolutely exclusive to this course, and we're building it up, and I will be there. You can ask me questions. I'll have teachers' assistants. You can ask them questions, and all the people in the course are going to be there. So people from around the world are going to be there, and if you're stuck on something, you can ask for help, and believe it or not, I do sleep. So I have students from around the world. There's a period of time I live on the East Coast in Florida, in the United States. So every night I go to bed, so I'm not going to be online to answer questions. But around the world, people are going to be online, and you may be able to get that question answered right away from somebody in the community. So these are just some quick tips. And if you are brand new to Udemy, one other thing, check out the Appendix A in this course. There's some tips and tricks in there. I just posted a video for how to use the Udemy interface. If you're a veteran, don't worry about that. But if you're brand new to Udemy, there's some actually really good stuff in this video as to just get how to use the Udemy interface and watch the videos. I actually learned a couple things from it. So the instructor that put this together did a really nice job on that video. So again, thank you for enrolling in my course. Thank you, and I hope you get a lot out of this course, and please give me feedback. I love getting student feedback. Udemy is going to ask you for a review. If you don't want to review it, that's okay. Don't do it right now. Go ahead and forward it. And if I did not earn a really solid review from you, please let me know why, because I do take the student feedback. It's very important to me, and I do use it to improve the course.